When people preach that the Lord causes sicknesses and illnesses to fall on people to teach them a lesson or teach them patience, I just want you to know that wholeheartedly erroneous teaching straight from the pits of hell. If God hated sin so much that he put it on Jesus to bear it for our benefit, how much more does he also hate sicknesses and diseases that he also put those on Jesus so that by his stripes we were made whole? God does not use sicknesses to teach his children lessons. Just as any loving father, any earthly father knows how to correct their child in love, the heavenly father ultimately knows the best way. Joseph Prince says it like this: if a loving father is trying to teach his daughter not to play in the street, he's not going to run over her legs with a car and say, I'm doing this because I love you, I'm teaching you a lesson. So why would people say that the Lord uses sicknesses and diseases and puts them on us to teach us lessons? That is not how the Father corrects us. That is not how he lovingly leads us. Sicknesses are from the enemy. They are from Satan, and he wants to steal, kill, and destroy you. But Jesus said that he's come so that you might have life, and you might have life more abundantly and to the full.